Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we are going to talk about the MEEZAA Telescope, the best professional refractor telescope available for astronomy enthusiasts. The MEEZAA Telescope is a professional astronomical refractor telescope designed for adults, kids, and beginners who are interested in exploring the night sky. With its 90mm aperture and 800mm focal length, this telescope offers stunning views of celestial objects. One of the key features of the MEEZAA telescope is its fully multi-coated high-transmission coatings, which ensure bright and clear images. The telescope comes with two interchangeable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, providing a magnification range of 32x240x. The telescope also includes a finder scope for easy object location and a zenith mirror for an erect image. The telescope comes with a stable tripod made of stainless steel, allowing for 360 degrees horizontal and 180 degrees vertical movement. It also includes a phone adapter, allowing you to capture and share pictures and videos of your observations. With its portable design and included carrying bag, the MEEZAA telescope is perfect for stargazing, moongazing, birdwatching, and more. The telescope is easy to set up and operate, making it ideal for beginners and kids. In conclusion, the MEEZAA telescope is the best professional refractor telescope available in the market, offering high-quality optics, ease of use, and portability. If you're looking to explore the night sky and engage in astronomy, the MEEZAA telescope is the perfect choice.
Thank you for watching Product Critique. Stay tuned for more reviews on the latest products. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content.
Until next time, happy stargazing!